You got the shirt?
The shirt.
Getting your good side?
You gotta get, you know.
Do we need to move the probe to the other
I got
side?
one dimple. I got one dimple. You get the- Just let you know I don't have a thyroid, so don't let that make you nervous.
Oh, so that's artery vein. So if you point upwards, and that would be the artery because the flow of the artery is going up, so, and then if you point that one to move
You
it.
put it down so you see it's all come towards
Oh,
it.
up.
If you go up, it'll be blue.
Oh, okay, now, okay. I was getting
So it's gonna be flow direction.
right, okay.
So look right here. You see right here? See these groupings? So come down a little more. There you go. So you see the artery? So it's like an artery. Here's the breakup plexus. Now what I want you to do is put that in the middle of the screen. Now just scan up. Just scan up the net. Keep focusing on this. Now see those structures? See the grapes? Now watch the muscles are going to start to come together. See how they're stacking? Muscles are coming together. Keep coming in. Look at that. Now there, see how those are nice, beautiful kind of grapes that you're seeing? So everybody's going to be a little different, your structure. Now if you look, your probe, if we do it this way, now look at the same image. It's going to look flipped. See how things are now flipped?
Yeah.
So the probe, the orientation of the probe is that probe marker now represents medial. If we do it this way, that probe now, that is lateral. So we've just